情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一客语。
Yo, 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 it's time for Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係 Alice Paul。Hello，
你好，大家好，我係 Josephine。
Josephine， 等我一下我先去停車。
你要去停車 park a car。
停車，
我知道，我是開車族，我也懂停車吧，對不對？很麻煩，有時候要找半個鐘頭呢。
對啊，這裡真的不好停車。
All right, it's so hard to find parking around here. How do you say that?
亞威dongˋmṃhoˋ停車。
亞威dongˋmṃhoˋ停車。那有的時候是要到別人的公司要拜訪，要先問好
有沒有停車場？
對，你公司附近有停車場嗎？ How do you say that? Is there a parking lot near your office?
ngiaಗ್ಗೆ公司附近有停車場嗎？
Let's review and repeat some of these phrases such as 停車 to park your car,
停車
and how about a parking lot 停車場
停車場
And sometimes you want to ask if there's any of that around the neighborhood 附近
附近
that's around, okay, nearby. And this month we're teaching you all forms of transportation. Hope you learned something on ICRT.
什麼大家？
按字 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.